You can see that today the whole world is in awe of coronavirus. Due to this small balance, we have fallen victim to an epidemic. Today, while sitting at home, we are watching on the news channel how this pandemic has shaken the world, and it is also said in pain that it has plagued the whole world with its sickness. And you know that even before this such pandemic were spread on this earth, and due to which widths of death were spread all over the world. And if you know about them, you will feel that this coronavirus is nothing, because we are going to talk about such diseases that literally eliminated half the population of the whole world. But seeing this, you can guess that if the corona is not stopped, then to what extent the actual death figure can go, you cannot even imagine. Hello guys, how are you doing? I am your friend and you are watching our new channel Be Smart. So friend, without wasting any time, let's discuss about diseases. What else were these diseases which almost all the world half population was over? And today's video title is 5 viruses that almost wiped out human population. Number 1. The Plague of Justinian. The Plague of Justinian, which started in 541 AD, it was and is considered to be the first pandemic in history. This pandemic stripped the strength of the Roman Empire. At that time, at least more than 5,000 people were falling victim to death every day, from children to elders, and even animals were not able to save themselves. And not only this, the kings of the feet had also succumbed to death before these diseases. It is called a virus. Do you know how this plague was born? The reason is grains. And friends, it is not such grains. It is sent by Egyptian merchant ships to these grains, Constantinople, where King Justin had his own palace. And with these grains, there were also small rats who contaminated the grains completely. And by consuming the contaminated grains in this way, it spread everywhere, and at the same time, the rats coming from Egypt spread all over the state and started increasing their numbers. And then it began to plague and grow, and this plague killed 40% of Europe people. Number 2. Black Death. 1800 years after the Black Death of Justinian, Black Death was born. And some believed that this is another form of plague of Justinian, and this was first seen in China and arrived in Europe first by merchant ships, and it ended the typhoon population of Europe. And this was also due to sick poisonous mice, and this rate came from merchant ships. This virus spread among people, and likewise our merchant ship went from Africa and Africa towards Asia. According to the statistics, 200 million people were killed. Incredible, right, compared to the coronavirus today. And I want to tell you that the Black Death invented quarantine, which you have been experiencing from many weeks to many months, and isolation periods was named as quarantino. And thus quarantine was born. And thus the strong immunity and isolate saved the next generation. But before that, all the families separated from each other and all the business was closed. Number 3. The Antonine Plague. Friends, it is a matter of 165 AD when the Roman Empire was at its peak, and not so at the same time. At the time, for the first time in history, two kings were assuming the kingdom for the first time, Marcus Aurelius and his brother Lucius Verus. And together these two kings were spreading the awe of Roman Empire in every kingdom. But when the Roman Empire buried his victory flag in the east region, and when he came to Rome, when he won the Parthian War, but along with that victory, you also brought a huge epidemic which brought the entire Roman Empire together, worshipped, and this epidemic is called the Antonine Plague. And this plague spread rapidly throughout the Roman Empire, and through this 2000 people were killed every day. And this plague continued for 20 years, and both kings were also killed by this, and the whole Roman Empire city was destroyed by this disease. The only cure for this sick was strong immunity, but this disease killed about 5 million people in 20 years. What strength is there? Not this little virus, and not only that, it took the whole world in its possession. Number 4. The Great Plague of London. In the 17th century, London had to face a terrible disaster, and some believe that this is another form of Black Death. And let us tell you how to get started. In the spring season of 1665, the worst disease occurred in a small city in London where a lot of dirt and garbage was spread, and this flood started contaminating rats, and it did not take much time to spread to others' body. And after this epidemic, many rich men left the village and settled only if the poor people. And due to the large number of poor, the sickness spread very much. And its number increased so much that people started writing locked "Please have mercy on us" in the door of their house. And not only that, at the house where people are suffering from this disease, the mark of Red Cross was given on that house, and in this way, this disease killed 20% of the people of London. Number 5. The most dangerous, the Spanish flu. After the beginning of the 20th century, the world flu made the Spanish flu such a terror that it did not leave the children, the young people, and even the people of strong immunity system. This virus directly attacked the respiratory system and weakened the person in a few days and killed him. And let me tell you that it was born in China, and this virus gripped the whole world. The highest level of defeat was shown in Spain, which is why it was named Spanish flu. And you will not believe that this disease has ended the 1/3 population of the whole world. 500 million people lost their lives between 1918 and 1920. And this is the biggest historically ill ever, and that is why quarantine was brought here too. People were forbidden to skip any personal contact. Everyone was asked to wear a mask compulsory. And friend, does not this situation look like something today? COVID-19 and Spanish flu, I don't need to tell you what similarities look like, alright. It also attacks the respiratory system itself. But we are also going out wearing masks today. COVID-19 pandemic has no cure yet, and it's not taking the name of closer, and whether it will be as deadly as the COVID-19 Spanish flu or whether it will outlive the Spanish flu is difficult to say. And friend, it is important that we learn something from our history and take some appropriate action in time. Today we have internet, today we have information, today we have history to teach, and we should learn something from it. Maintain social distance as much as possible and take care of your health and sanitize your hands. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you so much.